Parameterization and normalization is an important topic in Grasshopper and Rhino. I don't know if you've noticed, but some of the components that we're using allow us to reparameterize. What does that mean? And what can we use it for? That's what this chapter is about. For example, anything that deals with curves, if you right click, you'll notice that we have this reparameterize option. Same with surfaces. Also, anything that takes in a curve or a surface will have that as an option. Several components have this 0 to 1, and the MD slider also works from 0 to 1. It'd be a lot easier if we can somehow take values and squeeze them in to easier domains to work with. When you create a curve or a surface in Rhino, it has a property called domain. You can actually select it and type in domain, and it tells you that the curved domain goes from 0 to 93.129 in this case. Does that mean that it goes from 0 to how long it is? Well, what's the length? The length is 72.717 millimeters in this case. It's not necessary that the domain of a curve or a surface has anything to do with its length or its area. This is just a mathematical construct that eventually Rhino sets up based on the inputs to the geometry, but we can use it in any way that we desire. We can reparameterize this. For example, I can take my curve and I can say reparameterize, and it's going to ask me where do I want the domain to start. I'll say 0, and the end, I'll say 1. Now my domain is from 0 to 1. And you see that the geometry hasn't changed. It's just allowing me to reparameterize this domain into something that would make it easier for me to work with. And this chapter is about how we can take advantage of that.